Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open Android Studio and jump straight into the module you'll change. Create a drawable resource named Button Shape. XML under res/drawable. This is the single file controlling the button shape. Define a shape element, then add solid for color, corners for radius, and padding for spacing. Once done, save the file. Make sure to use DP values for corners and padding so the shape scales correctly across devices and densities. Now apply the drawable to your button via Android. Background equals at drawable/button shape in the layout XML. That's the direct link. Edit stroke to add borders and size for fixed width/height when needed, and tweak corner radius to achieve rounded or pill shapes. Once done, consider adding a selector XML for pressed and disabled states, and include ripple effects for Android Lollipop, and later to preserve touch feedback. Make sure to preview in multiple device configurations. Finish by rebuilding the project and refreshing layouts. This forces Android Studio to recognize new drawables. Test your button on an emulator and a physical device across API levels so you catch theme or ripple differences. If the shape still looks wrong, clean the project or invalidate caches, and check for theme overlays that may replace Android background. One key troubleshooting tip: if states or ripple do not appear, ensure you used a selector and enabled Android foreground or proper ripple attributes for your target API levels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.